Bing, bing, bing. All right, you guys. So, all right, check this out, y'all. I'm gonna hit this one more again. One more again, like my mom used to say. God rest her soul. Mother's Day just passed, and I didn't get to celebrate Mother's Day because my mama passed. Yeah, sad day. Anyway, here's the deal, guys. Let me shrink my head so y'all can see what's popping. And happy belated Mother's Day to all the mamas who I didn't get say happy mama, baby mama's day or whatever to you. All right, so check this out, y'all. This is another prop firm account with Take Profit Trader that me and Nancy started tonight, earlier, a couple hours ago. We started a couple hours ago. We started with 150K, and let's go right here. And you can see that we are up 3,800, 39. It's counting as we go. Total profits, okay? This is what's open, meaning the trades that have opened. All right, so let me show you the difference. So right now we're up 3,800 in profit, 2,300 in open trades. So what does that actually mean? Let me get my calky-dowky, if I can find it. Okay, so let me pull this up. And this is going to be a running number because it's still running. So let's say 3841. All right, 3841 minus 2311. 2311. So that means that we've already closed out, meaning trades that have already hit our TP. And that was, I know 6A and 6N had already hit our TP for the 1500. Okay, so those targets already got hit, and the rest of these are just running overnight and profit. So I told you guys, man, we be doing our thing with these markets here. Okay, so and I don't need the indicators on right now, but you can see my profits are covered up because what I did was I actually I'm finna go to sleep. To be honest with you guys, I'm finna go to sleep. I got the dishwasher running in the background, so I don't know if you can hear it or not. I let my baby girl rest, and I got the dishwasher running, so I shut the door. But as you can see, I entered up here, and it's running in profit. That's on that one. Same thing with ES. So what I did was I just protected my entry so that, no matter what, I'll be in profit. And I'll move this down. Oh, he's trying to hide. He ain't making no real money. Okay, there you go. There goes one of them. Don't forget, you already seen this right here. You know what I mean? So no crap, please. And you can see all my positions right here. This is the ones I'm in. Here's gold and all the rest of them. Here's ES, which is the way you're looking at on the chart. So please, let's be mature, okay? Oh, I didn't mean to enlarge myself that big. Hey! All right, so let's get back to this. So the bottom line is these trades are running. I will be closing them out early tomorrow because tomorrow is CPI numbers or customer inflation numbers, or what I call it. So inflation numbers are going to be coming out, which probably will push it to my target right here. But to be honest, I'm not going to hold it. Plus, on top of that, when you're dealing with prop firms, they don't like that kind of stuff anyway. You know what I mean? So it is what it is. In fact, you know what, bro? Let me move this down a little more. Just give my little something. You feel me, dog? Right in front of y'all. This ain't gonna be a long video. Don't worry about it. But just in case London want to pull some crappy wappy and try to keep me unhappy, I'll protect my account by doing such and such. So I'll lock in a little bit more gain on these. I don't want to put it too close because it can do like it did right here. See, boom, take people out and then drop some more. Feel me? That's what it does. People get hit like that all the time because they stops be too close. And so what happens is that, they get popped. They just get popped, to be honest with you. That's what happens. So anyway, I just want to do this little short video just to have a little fun, which I'll show you what's going on. We're looking really, really nice. Truth be told, yeah, I'll just leave it. I'll leave it running. I was going to say I should just close out some of these and call them a day. Let's check this down here. All right, 425, 425. I want you to pop on up here and slap that one right there. Slap, just slap that one right there. Just go ahead and slap it. Do the judo slap, slap. Oh, I gotta shrink my head. Hold on, y'all. My head too big. All right, there we go. Judo slap, slap. All right, this one is only $1.25. This one I didn't fool with, which I should have. You see I drew my line. You see the head and shoulders right here? See? Right there. Here's the head, shoulder, came back, retested, touched it, and bounced right off. See, this is the reason why. Let me be very clear with some of y'all, because some of y'all coming in here to our group, and I know what you're trying to do. You know what I mean? You're trying to get our little secret indicator. Oh, let me put that back on the chart so some of y'all can see what I'm talking about. So you're trying to get our secret breakout indicator, which you see this was going to be a winner right here if you would have took this trade. When it broke to the downside, you would have won, and now when it break to the upside, you would have won. But the problem is that you're trying to just come in, snatch up our indicator, and run like a little bandit, thinking you can do things on your own without education, not realizing you don't understand how to break down the charts. And this is why people who have breakout strategies, they still don't do well because they don't understand the bigger picture. Okay? So when it did this move here, yeah, I understood exactly what it was doing because I can break it down. Okay? Again, here's the head. Here's a shoulder. And here's a shoulder. Okay? So for you, you wouldn't have known what the heck is going on. And somebody actually did say that too in the comments. Hey man, can you help out? Because it looks like, man, these things are going all which ways. That's exactly the point as to why you need to be in a trading group and not trying to do this yourself, because you got to understand what the market was trying to tell you. And right here, a lot of you guys, and let me move these indicators out the way so you can just see exactly what I saw. Right here was the head, here was the shoulder, here was the right shoulder. So now let me add the indicator back on and make this bigger and you'll understand what I mean. So when it did this move down here, what was it actually doing? Just creating or retesting this level, which you see me draw the line. It was simply retesting that level. So yeah, that was a good little short winner to the backside, but would I have held it? No, absolutely not. Why? Because since I know that this is the pattern that it's creating, when it bounced back up this way, yeah, I already knew this was going to be the move. Okay? It was a head and shoulders. So why didn't I take this straight then? That's the question. Because I was in so many others, and I'm using a prop firm account. So I was like in 8. How many trades am I still in? Hold on. And you'll see my point. Okay? Can't be in everything. Give me 1 second. Go up. Partner. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I was already in 9 trades because 2 of them already closed out. I was in 9 trades. So me being in 9 trades, you know, adding a 10th one really wouldn't have mattered, even though I could have taken it and should have taken it. But, you know, that's more than enough trades at one time. You feel me? Just in case there's a news event or something that comes out that shakes up the market. You got all these trades juggling. So, you know, hey, I'm comfortable with it, but, you know, I don't advise it for everybody. So sometimes you pass up one but hey, all of these trades are still winning and 2 of them already closed out in profit. So I ain't going to cry about it. You feel me, dog? I ain't going to cry about it. All of these are in profit right in front of you. Okay. You seeing the money move. So can't nobody say this is a screenshot. You can see it moving. See? In fact, I should have closed some out because it was close to 4 grand. So I think what I'm going to do, because the market is, you know, finna hit the London session and CPI numbers are in the morning. So let me do this. I'm going to go ahead and take my money on that one. I'm going to take my money on that one. And I'm going to take my money on this one. Okay, so all the indices are closed out. Gold is still running, and I got 6J, 6E, and 6B. All right, so that's still cool. You know, 3,200. I like when it was closer to 4. You know, but I just gave back doing this video. I just gave back like 700 because it was close to 4,000. But it's cool. You know, it's always tomorrow. Which, by the way, speaking of tomorrow, whenever you decide to watch this video, our live sessions are over Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. And on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 9 a.m. sharp Eastern Standard Time, you're going to be in the trading room with the beautiful Miss Jenny, trading live with her. And on Wednesdays, you're going to be, and this is the New York session, okay? Because we have two different programs. We have a New York session and we have an Asian session. So on Wednesday, the the New York session on Wednesday will be me, and I start 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time promptly. Now, if you want to be a part of the Asian session because you can't be in the markets during the daytime, then the Asian session will be a good fit for you. Okay, and the Asian session starts at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or New York time promptly. Okay, be on time. I would advise you to be 5 minutes early because last week, guess what? As soon as 8 o'clock hit, we was called. I told people, hey, I'm hopping in this trade on gold. People made a lot of money, and that's one of them videos, them short videos y'all saw where I was calling out how much money people were making. They did it in a matter of minutes because, hey, we was there when the market was open at that 8 o'clock time frame, and guess what? People was clocking. You can look at the previous video where I took a screenshot of people making profits. So there you go, family. Okay, there you go. There you go. There you go. Okay, so I just want to show you some live trades so y'all can see that this is really real. Profits can be made, things can be done, but I'm just advising you it's better for you to be in a trading group with a bunch of us so we can discuss trade setups and everybody get a better understanding as to why these things are happening versus you just trying to snatch onto another indicator. You don't know how it functions, why it works, and you certainly don't know the companionship it has with the market itself and price action. You just thinking, oh, I'll just take this and do it on my own, and you're blowing up your account. Okay? All right. So if you want to join us, you know where the links are. They're at the very top right corner. Yeah, top right corner or whatever. If you want to be copied on our Forex trades, oil and silver, gold, and indices, which is not the same as trading futures, okay? Then you want to join the Super Easy Copycat, okay? And just add the software onto your MT4, MT5, and when we take trades, you get them, okay? And we have different packages for that. But if you want to be live and you say, hey, I want to learn how to do this together with the family, and we're going to do this thing together, all right, man, cool. Futrix is it. All right, peace. I'm going to sleep, y'all. It's, 12 o'clock? 12:15. Peace.